I've just spoken to the boss. She's in Totnes, having a Sunday, you know, going around the charity shops and meeting a friend for lunch and, you know, that sort of thing, working hard. And I'm here slogging away with concrete blocks and pallets and raised the floor. And I've strengthened the floor this morning. I've mixed the concrete. I've mixed the cement ready for laying blocks again. So we're about to start. So come on, arm, you can do it.